Yo, what's up, guys? Today I got a part from LMC. I've never gotten a part from them ever. So we're gonna see if it's good. So far, it's pretty good. Woo! Oh, you want to see where I live? Cause what? Honestly, guys, I thought it wasn't gonna come with this black. Wow, this is real beefy. Whoa, that's nice. I have a camera person. You can zoom in and out. You think it'll hold my 260 pounds, guys? Wow, check it out. This is nice. Hardware. Wow, okay. LMC, okay, I see you. It's because, I'm not bashing nobody, but Craig 909 was saying that he got some armrests and that they were bad and manufactured wrong and the molding was bad, but this looks damn good to me, guys. It's thick. Look how thick that steel is. Look at that. This cost me $50. I was on LMC and I was looking at this. I didn't know it was gonna come with this. They're actually I was looking and it said that it was $3.99 each, and I was thinking, oh well, you know, that's how they make their money. But it came with it. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. This is for $73.79, guys. I'm gonna give you the part number. Is 40-3155 tailgate chain assembly set chrome. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that I got this because I've never gotten a part from them, and you know they're expensive. And the quality control check is super nice. So yeah, Craig maybe got some like stuff that wasn't good, maybe, you know. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll order some seats and find out. But it is super hot. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.